If anyone's on calcium supplements, don't take them. Let me show you why. So I'm putting myself a question in here now. Should I take calcium supplements? The answer is a resounding no, because bones are not made of calcium. Did you know that? Let me show you what bones are made of. They're made of 12 minerals, which is boron, calcium, chromium. You know, chromium helps get those blood sugars right. And iron, and magnesium, and manganese, and potassium, and phosphorus, and selenium, and sulfur, and silica, and zinc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's your 12 minerals. That's what your bones are made up of. And 64 trace minerals. So with that sort of information, students, what do our bones need? Not calcium supplements. When you take calcium supplements into your body, you get an overload of calcium, the body goes, whoa, and it shuts down the adrenal glands to hold on to magnesium to try and get the balance. And the effect of that is to cause the kidneys to release potassium and sodium. You get this huge imbalance. What is the best way to strengthen your bones? Take the minerals that your bones are made up of. How do we find that? Where do you find it in the most perfect proportion? Students, seawater. Now, I'm not suggesting you go and drink seawater. All you need to do is take the 2 salts that have the minerals in their right balance, which is Celtic salt and Himalayan salt. How much do you take? I take a crystal every glass of water, and I generously sprinkle it on my food. If you're not used to salt, go lightly. If you've been on a no-salt diet, I would have a very tiny crystal twice a day. After a couple of days, 3 times a day. You've got to ease your body back into it. Yes? A little bit. A little bit. If you have a crystal of Celtic salt with every glass of water today, all you've done is replace the minerals you lost yesterday. There is another place that you will get minerals in this proportion, and it's dark green, leafy vegetables. Every day we should have them. I had a huge feed this morning because I knew I'm going to be flying this afternoon. I'm going to be travelling, and I gave myself a very good dose. Oh, that's so much cheaper than calcium supplements, isn't it? And let me tell you one more thing. We have a percentage of our guests are nurses that work in aged care. And they said in aged care, every patient has a big calcium supplement tablet they have to take every day. And I said, how many of them have osteoporosis? What's the answer? All of them. Is it working? No. And what's the definition of insanity? So the money you save on stopping your calcium supplements, you can buy organic greens, good salts,